Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make Freddy Fazbear in Infinite Craft. Let's get started. First things first. Take wind. Then add earth to it. It will make dust. Then add earth to it. When you do that it will make planet. Then add planet to it. When you do that it will make star. Then add star to it. When you do that it will make galaxy. Then add galaxy to it. When you do that it will make black hole. Then add galaxy to it. When you do that it will make universe. Then add universe to it. When you do that it will make multiverse. Then take black hole on other side. Then add black hole to it. When you do that it will make wormhole. Then add black hole to it. When you do that it will make time travel. Then add black hole to it. When you do that it will make time paradox. Then add time travel to multiverse. When you do that it will make paradox. Then add paradox to time paradox. When you do that it will make time. Then take water on other side. Then add water to it. When you do that it will make lake. Then add lake to it. When you do that it will make ocean. Then add earth to it. When you do that it will make island. Then add earth to it. When you do that it will make continent. Then add time to it. When you do that it will make eternity. Then take earth on other side. Then add earth to it. When you do that it will make mountain. Then add wind to it. When you do that it will make avalanche. Then add wind to it. When you do that it will make snow. Then take dust on other side. Then add water to it. When you do that it will make mud. Then add eternity to it. When you do that it will make Adam. Then add time to it. It will make Eve. Then add Adam to it. When you do that it will make human. Then add earth to it. It will make farmer. Then take earth on other side. Then add mud to it. It will make clay. Then add clay to it. When you do that it will make brick. Then add planet to it. It will make Mars. Then add Mars to snow. It will make ice cream. Then add ice cream to farmer. When you do that it will make milk. Then add milk to it. It will make cheese. Then remove time and eternity from the screen. After doing it, add brick on other side. Then add brick to it. When you do that it will make wall. Then take clay on other side. Then add mud to it. It will make pottery. Then add pottery to wall. It will make vase. Then add pottery to it. When you do that it will make ceramic. Then add brick to it. It will make tile. Then add pottery to it. It will make mosaic. Then add pottery to it. When you do that it will make art. Then add water to it. It will make paint. Then take wind on other side. Then add fire to it. It will make smoke. Then add water to it. When you do that it will make fog. Then add planet to it. It will make Venus. Then add human to it. It will make Aphrodite. Then add human to it. When you do that it will make Eros. Then add human to it. It will make love. Then add love to it. When you do that it will make heart. Then add water to it. It will make blood. Then add blood to paint. It will make red. Then add farmer to it. It will make tomato. Then add tomato to cheese. When you do that it will make pizza. Then take tile on other side. Then add tile to it. It will make floor. Then add wall to it. It will make room. Then add room to it. When you do that it will make house. Then add house to pizza. It will make pizzeria. Then take earth on other side. Then add planet to it. When you do that it will make moon. Then take earth on other side. Then add water to it. It will make plant. Then add plant to it. It will make tree. Then add tree to moon. When you do that it will make werewolf. Then take fire on other side. Then add water to it. It will make steam. Then add fire to it. When you do that it will make engine. Then add wind to it. It will make windmill. Then add windmill to it. When you do that it will make wind farm. Then add island to it. It will make electricity. Then take water on other side. Then add plant to it. When you do that it will make swamp. Then add swamp to electricity. It will make Frankenstein. Then add human to it. It will make monster. Then add Frankenstein to it. When you do that it will make bride. Then add bride to it. It will make wedding. Then add love to it. When you do that it will make marriage. Then add room to it. It will make honeymoon. Then add wall to it. When you do that it will make honeycomb. Then add honeycomb to it. It will make beehive. Then add beehive to it. When you do that it will make bee. Then add plant to it. It will make honey. Then take steam on other side. Then add smoke to it. It will make cloud. Then add water to it. When you do that it will make rain. Then take tree on other side. Then add tree to it. It will make forest. Then add rain to forest. When you do that it will make rain forest. Then add plant to it. It will make oxygen. Then take forest on other side. Then forest to it. When you do that it will make jungle. Then take earth on other side. Then add fire to it. When you do that it will make lava. Then add water to it. It will make stone. Then add earth to it. When you do that it will make rock. Then add oxygen to rock. It will make metal. Then add metal to jungle. When you do that it will make tin. Then add oxygen to it. It will make titanium. Then add oxygen to it. It will make titanium dioxide. Then take oxygen on other side. Then add metal to it. It will make rust. Then add oxygen to it. When you do that it will make iron. Then take titanium dioxide on other side. Then add stone to it. When you do that it will make white. Then add white to iron. It will make silver. Then take plant on other side. Then add wind to it. When you do that it will make dandelion. Then take water on other side. Then add oxygen to it. When you do that it will make hydrogen. Then add dandelion to hydrogen. It will make helium. Then add titanium to silver. It will make platinum. Then add oxygen to it. When you do that it will make platinum oxide. Then add hydrogen to it. It will make fuel cell. Then add fire to it. It will make energy. Then take oxygen on other side. Then add silver to it. When you do that, it will make argentum. Then add tin to it. It will make pewter. Then add helium to pewter. When you do that, it will make periodic table. Then add periodic table to energy. It will make element. Then remove titanium dioxide from the screen. Then add periodic table to element. When you do that, it will make chemistry. Then add periodic table to chemistry. It will make science. Then add science to it. It will make technology. Then add technology to it. When you do that, it will make computer. Then take monster on other side. Then add earth to it. It will make troll. Then add honey to troll. When you do that, it will make bear. Then add bear to computer. It will make cyber bear. Then take bear on other side. Then add bear to werewolf. When you do that, it will make werebear. Then add computer to werebear. When you do that, it will make werecomputer. Then add black hole to werecomputer. When you do that, it will make black hole. Then add cyber bear to black hole. When you do that, it will make cyber black hole. Then take Venus on other side. Then add steam to it. When you do it, it will make life. Then add life to cyber black hole. When you do it, it will make cyber life. Then add cyber life to pizzeria. When you do that, it will make Freddy Fazbear. Voila! And that's how you make Freddy Fazbear in Infinite Craft. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Thanks for watching.